Let's make some coffee roasted Cornish hen. Let's go. So we're gonna start off by cleaning up our chicken, all right? So we're gonna add some apple cider vinegar, about 4 tablespoons, or just enough, to clean it up. Then we're gonna add some water. Give it a nice little wash. And we're gonna give it a nice little rinse about 2 to 3 times, just to make sure it's nice and clean. Now you want to remove the extra fat. Time to start seasoning my chicken. Here I have about 1 tablespoon of rosemary. You want to give it a nice little chop. Now you want to combine your rosemary with some all-purpose seasoning, tarragon, chili powder, cayenne pepper, and some smoked paprika. All right? Add that in, and then we're gonna give it a nice little mix. Add a little drizzle of olive oil. Rub it in. And this is gonna allow the seasoning to soak right in. We're gonna let our Cornish hen marinate for about 30 minutes or overnight for best results. Ooh, look at that, smelling good. Rub it in, flip, and we're gonna repeat the same step. I'm also gonna add some ground coffee. This is gonna add a nice flavor. You want to add some coffee, maple syrup, apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, brown sugar, and cinnamon.